Okay. We're almost there. Okay. Hold on. Stop! Stop! That is say stop. You are not Yama that says stop. Oh, man. Okay, fine. Okay, just I think one more time. Just concentrate with your strength. Okay? Is this straight? Fine. I said, okay, pull it. Again. Yes. Harder. Concentrate with all your strength. Okay? No. Don't pull from under. Just keep your hand right. Yes. That's it. Madam, what for the name? Mama, say, Fabi, Madam, you go die, you. Oh. Okay. Madam, can you breathe at all? Can you breathe? Okay. I think that's it. Yes. So tell me, how do I look?
Are you sure you can breathe to your face?
Yes, of course. Watch. I'm perfectly good. Let's go.
Baby, I'm not comfortable with this. I'm not comfortable with this. You look like someone that will suffocate anytime soon, and I don't even have strength to carry you. I don't like this.
What is it? Why do you like ruining my parole? Why do you like ruining my parade? What is it? Listen, this is it. I'm the one wearing this thing. I said I'm comfortable in it. I'm fine, I'm okay. I can breathe. Am I complaining? Besides, I'm trying to keep a figure.
There are other clothes that are fitting that you can take on.
You want to spoil this outing? Why do you want to ruin it?
It's okay. Let's go.
Besides, it took me time. Will you open the door?
Alright, it's fine. You win.
Told you, I'm okay with this. Just want to spoil.
Babe, enter now.
I know, easy. You know what?
Babe, what is the problem?
What?
You look so uneasy.
Baby, I am fine. Yes.
Are you sure?
Of course I am fine.
Then why don't you want to eat food? I ordered for food, you said you don't want to eat the food. Even to drink, you said no. What is your problem?
Baby. About the food, I said I will eat. Not immediately. Maybe with time. Then about the drink, see. I'm drinking. Okay. I'm fine.
Alright, it's fine. Today is our anniversary and I called you here for us to have a lone moment together.
Okay.
For us to have a romantic moment. But I don't know why you had to wear this to ruin it.
Mark, what's it? Why are you nagging? What has my outfit got to do with our romantic date? I said I am fine. Besides, okay, let me understand something. So, because today is our anniversary, you want me to overfeed and get drunk on alcohol?
It's okay,
Please, don't ruin
it's
our
fine,
outing.
it's fine. I will instruct them to package the food takeaway for us to go with it, since you don't want to eat.
Oh, that's better.
It's fine.
Better.
Cheers anyway.
Oh, wow.
Cheers to good life.
Yeah.
I pray for more success. I pray for open doors.
Oh, sorry.
All right.
Customer international. Customers dey
Fine, babe.
Customers
How
and
they be
landlord.
now?
Na him na. Check it out. Na him.
Now you.
Na.
See this girl. That you fine.
Na too fine. Check it out.
How be this? Now your boys go they call you now.
They rush me.
You too
Make
fine.
me reach my friend. Make you go and see
You
me.
go shine.
This is my skin, they irritate me.
You
That
go
customer. I
shine.
won't change. I won't shine like her.
Abi, don't worry, you go shine. So how they be now? I wanna tell one time now.
Let's buy one pack now, so that we don't look for him again.
Too much.
No, it's not much. Oh. Let's buy one pack. Oh. I won't shine.
How you take them much now? You know too much. I be you no get friends.
Oh.
Check if your friends. I made it they shine.
Just plenty way for now I won't take.
How they be now?
How they be? I'm about the amount.
You know say na 6p. But as they be so don't worry. You know na my you know how they be now. Buying I'll give you 5p.
5p.
Just give me 5p. How they be? Hurry. Bring the money.
I trust this. You go yellow.
I won't shine this. Just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I must shine. Oh.
Don't worry.
Customers they run.
5p.
I must shine.
I'll carry more.
Count.
Just 5K. I go shine.
5p.
Hey,
You go-
I won't shine.
You
abeg.
go brush up like
Are you
this now. I dey
serious?
tell you. 5p.
My
And the money you don't complete.
You don't complete.
I trust your word.
Now, that customer 5K. I won't shine for 5K. I go shine, eh?
Don't worry.
Oga no be counterfeit now. I don't feel give me counterfeit.
Na for taking purpose na. I know na. Taking purpose. Bye. Na your old boys go dey.
Did they rush me?
Na me dey brush those your boys.
They rush me, eh?
Na me, don't worry.
As I dey hug.
All this one are the waste time.
I tell you, see,
Organic
this man.
I go shine well.
Bye, babe.
Congratulations in advance.
You know say as they shine so. Na you guess na.
Customer.
See me na. See
Thank
go
you. Now, very
na.
more customers.
Fine, babe.
I go shine. Oga, thank you.
You go brush
Thank
up
you.
now. You go brush up. How dey be? Madam, I do. Madam.
5,000. Just like that. So organic cream is the new business in town. Hey! Hey! Look at me. That's why they walk around this village under the sun. I never even sell even 100 naira. You see as this girl count 5,000. Organic cream. Here I come.
Uche onye ọkụkụ. Uche onye ọkụkụ. Uche the hustler. Uche the hustler.
Stop making noise. Come on, if here, man. Uche onye ọkụkụ. You be praising me, hailing me. Eh? Stop it, please. Enough of your deception. Every time you be deceiving me. Stop deceiving me. Stop it.
Wetin can happen again?
Motowe okafa na egbu nwa nkịta.
Gehe mezi now. Wetin can happen again?
No be you give me rat poison, make I go sell. You know say the rat poison no dey work. You still give me, make I go sell. Eh? One woman nearly beat shege comot for my eye. If not that I have sharp brain and long legs. She said instead of the rat poison to kill the rats, I literally the rat poison. They will be happy. They will start sleeping with each other. Now our house is full of rats. So what do you have to say to that?
See, let me tell you, I'm sure of what I gave to you. Eh? Did the woman follow the instructions? Eh? Did she follow my instructions?
Come to think of it, she said she did not follow the instructions.
You see? It's not your fault, and it's not my fault either. No, it's anybody's fault. In fact, it's the woman's fault neither. Eh? It's her fault neither. Eh?
But wait, there's another business in town. Another business. This business, now in fact, this business now the number one in town. Now.
What is the name of this business now?
Organic cream.
Organic. It's organic.
Organic natural cream. That is what is raining now.
Ha.
You know that every girl Every woman, they want to look good. They want to look fresh.
I know.
Everybody wants to be fair.
Yes.
Organic cream, baby, knows now. In my very before, in front of me, some girls counted 5,000 naira and gave to one man.
You mean
5,000.
You mean
It's your 5,000.
This is business, so this is business. But the question is, you don't know anything about cream now. How will you do it?
That is why I am here. What about the master plan? Hey, help me buy the ingredients. Let me mix it. Mix here now. Miss Kobo. We move.
Oh, Uche, the last time I checked, you did not even pass physics, chemistry. You are not even a science student. You did not even finish secondary school.
How
will you mix it?
Forget that thing. And I can't call science students passing chemistry and physics. How come, Boche? Mixing things, just buy the ingredients. I'll pour everything and mix it together and start. I'll get a good container. Package it very well and start selling to people.
See,
that's all.
See, why I'm saying this is because there is some, when you miss it, the person will now have Fanta or Baku.
That is the deal.
Not even the deal.
Forget that thing. Forget. The point is that now, in my pockets.
Just be sure of this business. So I don't want someone to look like a roasted plantain.
How will you buy the ingredients?
That one is never a problem. Now, when you go to market, you buy ingredients. But how to mix it, that is the problem.
Help me and buy the ingredients.
No problem.
Forget about the mixing and the
No
packaging.
worry.
I will
do that one for you. Don't worry yourself. Now, to buy ingredients, no be problem.
5,000 naira in my very before. They counted it and give to that man.
The money is tempting, but the business, anyway, since you said you can mix it, I don't have any problem with that.
Buy the ingredients, leave the rest for me. No organic cream. Here I come.
When you try, you don't succeed, go try again. Businesswoman. When you try, you don't succeed, businesswoman. When you try, you don't succeed, make you try.
It's ready. Everything is set. I will name it Uche Organic Cream. Och Organic Cream. You see, yes, that's the name. You see organic cream. You see natural organic cream. Hey! It a play, it a show. Very soon, I'll be on television. The world will know me. I'll be on the internet as the girl that produced the most efficient organic natural cream. You see. It a play, it is just one pinch like this. You will turn from Coke to Fanta. From Fair to Albino. Hey, no time. No time. Uche Organic Cream. Ouch. Okay, let me test it. Let me test, I'm sure that it's working. Jesus. What's happening? Did I mistakenly add pepper?
Uche!
Mama. Jesus.
Uche!
Mama, I'm here.
Where are you?
Did I add pepper? Oh, did I add pepper? Mama, I'm here, Mama.
Uche!
Hey.
Okay,
Mama, on a new level. You see organic natural cream. You dey play the show.
Organic cream.
Organic cream, number one.
Uche, what
are you saying? Don't you believe me? I'm a hustler. I don't go buy all the ingredients where they use do organic cream. I can't put my own extra. Very soon you go see me for television, for internet, as the girl that produced the best organic natural cream. You see? Mama, it dey play, it dey show.
Uche,
Biko.
Let me understand. Now, bleaching cream.
Mama, it's not bleaching cream. I said organic cream. Organic cream is natural. Everything here is natural. You to remove all the if you have pimple, if you have patch here and here, everything it will clear. If you have stretch mark, it dey play in the show. Let me say something.
Uche! Did you put pepper?
Pepper is working.
What have you done?
That's the working process.
You know more? Uche, boom!
That's the working process, Mama.
You hear the
The cream is working, it's working. Mama, don't wash it, it's working. It's working.
Businesswoman, when you try, you don't succeed. Oh. Businesswoman, when you try, you don't succeed. Make you try your best, yeah. Businesswoman, when you try your
Oh.
Hey!
Oh, good evening. Good evening.
Yes. I can see the evening is good with you. Please. What are you doing? I mean...
No. Mama, I was just trying to...
Continue, I'm listening. You are just trying to communicate with your demon.
Mama, why would you say that kind of thing to me now? Do I look demonic to you?
So you don't know? You don't know you look demonic?
Mama, please don't say that kind of thing to me. Are you my mother? Even if I'm demonic, how is it your business?
I know it is not my business. And it will never be my business. My eyes will never behold iniquity. But let me tell you, when next you want to exhibit this act, do it in your house. In fact, in your room. Stop scaring people. What nonsense? Hey. How do you know Bikon?
Ebube.
Uche,
So you did not see me?
is that you?
Mba, it is you.
I was thinking that it's all these Boko Haram people. The way you covered your face.
My friend.
Hey,
You did not see my face, you did not see my body too.
what happened to your face?
Organic cream.
That's your organic cream. Hope you did not sell it to anyone.
I've not started selling it, but soon I'll start.
Thank God. If not, by now you'll be cooling off in police station.
You mean we, me and you? Because you were the one that bought the ingredients.
And so, am I the one that mixed it for you?
Was it not the ingredients you bought that I mixed? What is the difference?
The difference is clear now. You were the one that mixed it now.
Well, this is just cream reaction. You got to go ahead. Very soon I'll get it right and I'll start selling it and start making money.
Please, calm down first. For you to be alive, to start selling it, you need to calm down now. See, thank God you tested it with your face and it looks very good on you.
It looks very good at me.
Very beautiful.
No problem. I'll bring the remaining ones, so you apply it on your face. And I'm very sure it will also look very good on you.
I can't do
It
that.
looks very good on you.
I can't do that. I only bring out idea. Why you implement? See, you don't need to use this thing again. You have to quit this business entirely. See, you have to follow me to my house now. I have this business idea I want to share with you. This one is very lucrative, has a very good business I want to share with you. Just leave this your organic something before it will put you into trouble. I know what I'm saying. Just follow me to my house.
You have another business idea?
Oh, this is my head, the only idea full inside, man. Just let's go, please. I was even thinking that it's Boko Haram people. Your mother's face.
Mr. B, I'm so down. I'm so emotionally down.
Now my question is this. What in the world will make a successful man like you emotionally down? Hello, take a look. Come on, Vince. What is it?
A companion. Mr. B, I'm not getting any younger. You know it, right?
Lest I forget, you have Rachel. I mean, and she's good. She's beautiful. She's successful. And hello, she's got the curves. So what else are you looking for?
Like I said, a companion. She's not one.
Then make her one. It's that simple. Make her one.
Mr. B, I've tried, but she seems unserious.
Wait a minute, I think I know what the problem is. Have you proposed to her?
No.
Come off it, Mark. That's where the problem is. You need to propose to her. I mean, probably she's waiting for you to drop the question. That is it. And in a grand style, too. Come on.
Maybe.
I didn't say now. Wait, what were you trying to do? Call her on the phone and say, hello, babe, will you marry me? Man, don't do this now. Be a gentleman, for crying out loud. Take her somewhere. I don't behave like these village people where they will just ask you, babe, when are we going to see your parents? Come on, now. You need to go down on one.
Mr. B, can you stop talking?
I'm taking my drink.
Thank you.
Mark.
This guy.
You serious? Why is everywhere dusty? Where are these girls? Uju! Neka! Ma? Why is everywhere dusty? Dusty? Ma, we cleaned it this morning.
Yeah, we cleaned it.
Oh, shh! Are you trying to dispute my facts?
No, dispute mother.
I said everywhere is dusty and you're telling me you cleaned the house. That means I don't know what I'm saying. No, ma. You know what? You're all fired. You're good at nothing. Pack your things and leave!
Okay, madam, you know what we are saying. Madam, we are good at something to clean. Hey, John.
Okay, ma, you know what? We'll accept any punishment you give to us.
Ken,
please.
You accept the punishment. We'll accept any punishment, please. Now stop me.
Oh, hold on. I'm still thinking. Well, in that case, you will follow me to the car.
Ma, we are following you, ma.
I have a task for you all.
Okay, ma.
Okay, ma. God bless you.
They come back. She be sitting at the policeman.
Uju, can you go to the kitchen and get my slimming tea? Okay, right, thank you.
Slimming tea?
Of course, babe.
What for?
Darling, I cannot enjoy my meal without my slimming tea. I mean, it helps burn all the calories and stuff in the food, and it helps keep me in shape. There you go. There you go. Okay, so let me do this. Hurry, do this. So that's it. My baby prepared sumptuous meal. Baby, say hi.
Hi.
Well, you know, before I do anything, I have to take my slimming tea. Because you know, baby girl has to be in shape. I am trying to cut down this weight gain and still put everything back to shape. You know how it goes. I know you want it. Come join me. This is good. Okay, that's all. Babe, thank you. Get this, I'm done.
Babe, you're done?
Apparently.
You said I should order them to prepare a good meal that you want to eat and all that. I don't understand.
Babe, you should be used to this lifestyle at least. I mean, I cannot consume everything on this table without my slim tea. I'm trying to keep to shape. I'm trying to maintain this stature. I don't even want to go faster than this, so just let me.
Babe, you told me that you're hungry, that we should prepare special food for you, which I did. Now you don't want to eat the food. I don't understand. What is the meaning of this?
Babe, I have to maintain the stature. I mean, I'm even growing bigger. I need to cut down on my intake of carbohydrates and things.
Babe, we took time to prepare this for you.
Babe, let me maintain this.
Madam, babe, no vessel. Make you try to eat makosa.
Osa. Are you stupid? You know what? I'll be in the room. I'll be in the room.
It's okay. You can go. Babe, go. Babe. Hey, this is getting serious. What is all this? Huh?
Make you try your best, yeah. When you try your best, you do your best. Now go to go pay. Businesswoman, try your best, leave the rest. Now go to go pay. Businesswoman, she do walk up and down. Businesswoman, she do everything, yo. Businesswoman. She go walk out everywhere. Businesswoman. Oh, my friend in the hustle. Businesswoman. Oh, I do like it to hustle.
They shine. They shine. Arch International. Shoemaker, shoe repairer. Everything
See this
shoe.
life for this life you must hustle. No for lazy man, you must hustle. Make it hustle for survival. I said make it hustle. We must survive. Whether good or bad, we must survive. Come rain or shine, we go survive. If you fail today, Make you try tomorrow. If you fail tomorrow.
Who is that? Hey, what noise is that?
Mama na me.
Uche.
A shoemaker level can now. Shoemaking, shoe repairing, shoe shining level. High highness now. Everything shoe. Odd shoemaker.
Uche. Hey. Oh, shoemakers.
All level I know now. See your slippers. Eh? They shine out for you. See the way it's shining. You're my first customer.
Which customer?
I still love you. Now my first customer.
Did I beg you?
Eh?
Eh? Hi. Uche. Uche Zukwanike.
Hey, mama. Ah, mama, I corner that thing. What are you trying to say? Muzweke. No, I cannot do that. Arch, the billionaire in making. My hustle must pay one day. You got to go. So, that is your shoe, your slippers. It is shining. Enjoy. As for me, upon hustle continues. Hey. Shoemaker, watch the international shoemaker. See me on the other side, mama. Let's go and hustle.
Jack of all trade. Eh? Master of none. Today bleaching cream, tomorrow shoemaker. Eh? Maybe tomorrow bake your bread. Eh? What did she rub on my slippers? Okay, the cocos are my slippers because see the way it's shining. Eh? Get what do I want to have because? Eh? Hey, Jack of all trades.
See this life, see this life, for this life, you must hustle. No for lazy man, you must hustle. Make it hustle for survival. I said make it hustle. We must survive. Whether good or bad.
What is this, Biko? What type of polish is this that this girl used on my slippers? Eh? That is not even allowing me to walk well. Ah. Eh? My groundnut oil. Hey! This girl has finished my groundnut oil. Eh? In the name of polish. Hey, get the camera Bikon. What kind of trouble is this? Eh? What is this, Bikon? Eh? Hey, Ajonwa. What type of a child is this, Bikon? Eh? Eh? Oh.
Shine your shoe. Shine, repair, and renovate your shoe. Slippers. Shine. Mr. B. How you dey?
Fine.
Wait, why you dey waka like that?
My slippers cut.
Eh? Now my work. Bring and make a repair for you.
Make you repair for me? No, I'm close to the house.
Bring and make a repair for you. Why you go know person? Professional shoemaker like me. You want waka like this?
So I see the work.
Now my work now. Now my new job.
But I don't get money to pay you.
No problem. Make a repair and later you go pay me. I won't show you, give you sample of my work. So that when you go out, you tell people say, Arch, the #1 shoemaker.
Okay. I will bring you more customers.
Yes. Bring me customers. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. confirm now.
I can well. Oh.
Obago. Enjoy.
Obago.
Tell other people say now you be professional.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Next time.
Greet your wife and children for me.
Ooh! Ewo! Hey!
What you use do?
I don't know.
What you use work am? Eh? You know like the name where?
And I can well person, I dey go work for person for that side. Just manage.
Don't do my own way before you dey go another place.
I dey go that side. Just manage. Try take the Thanos injection.
Is it because I did not give you money? Hey, tapenta mweuku. Huh? Mamuche.
Ogini, what is wrong with you?
No be your daughter. The slippers she sew for me.
Hey. Why did you give her your slippers to sew now?
No be she tell me say she be shoemaker.
Have you ever seen her before? Do you know her as a shoemaker? Eh? Did she force you?
You are not defending your daughter, Kwe. You are defending your daughter. She will do you the same thing.
What else am I supposed to say? Here. You've never seen a shoemaker. I don't even know what to say to you because you've never seen Uche as a shoemaker before. Eh? Suddenly she saw you, convinced you, brainwashed you, an adult like you, and you gave her your slippers to fix. What do you expect? Eh? At least you're a grown-up now. Hey, Uche will not kill me. Eh? When you all your slippers and walk him mad because, eh? He's even limping.
No for lazy man, you must hustle. Make it hustle for survival. I said make it hustle. We must survive. Whether good or bad, we must survive. Come rain or shine, we go survive. If you fail today, make you try tomorrow. If you fail tomorrow, make you try again. No. We must survive. We must survive. So make you try.
Congratulations.
Mama, I see?
You heard me. Congratulations.
Hey! Mama! Mommy, thank you! Hey! This is what I have been expecting from you. Congratulations, my daughter. Congratulations, my daughter. You are doing well. You are doing well. Now I am happy that you have finally seen the potentials in me. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Mama.
Uche! Baka.
I'm happy. Uche, Arch. You are doing well.
You are very correct. You are very, very correct. I have seen the potential. At least on this, my slippers.
I hope people were hailing you.
Wham.
They were hailing you.
Wham.
Your shining slippers.
Wham. And also on Mr. Obi's leg. Mr. Obi? His leg, yes. I saw him limping down the road. Courtesy of you.
You saw Mr. Obi?
I did not see Mr. Okafor. What have I done to you? Eh? What have I done to deserve all this stress? Eh? Ogini, how could you? Why? Eh?
Mama, no too blame me like that. You know say na I just dey start. Small time now I go dey perfect. That was my first attempt. No, my second attempt. Because you were my first customer. Very soon I go dey perfect. Don't worry, my next customer will not end like that. Yes.
So you're even planning to continue with this shoemaker nonsense?
No. Ha! Mama, you call my hustle nonsense. I don't like it though. What are you trying to do? Okay, want my hustle to crash? Just like that. Man, Mama, I'll drop here. It's not good. Mama, I'm only the girl. Your prayer for me is to be rich. You should be positive. So that I'll become a billionaire. I'll have plenty money. When you die, I will bury you like the way Obi Kubana buried his mother. I'll give you a befitting burial. Yes.
Who will die? Mama, God forbid. I reject it.
Mama,
I dodge it.
I don't say you should die. I say when you die, whenever you die, I will bury you the way Obi Kubana buried his mother.
Why are you thinking of death now? Why? I am not ready to die. And you will not kill me. I will live till 100 years.
But after 100 years, you will still die. And I'll bury you the way Obi Kubana buried his mother. So pray for me, let me become a billionaire.
Uche, of course you know I'm praying for you. I'm praying so that you get a good business that will be fetching you money. So you can stay away from all this quack business today, another quack business tomorrow.
Mama, you are seeing it as quack. To me, it's hustle. What are you saying? Small like this. How these people they talk? Rome was not built in a day. Small now, I'll become perfect. This my shoe business will start paying off. I will blow. Before you know it, people abroad, those big shoe making brands, they will be calling me. I'll go there. I will blow. I'll make you proud.
No problem. No problem. But let me go and check my groundnut oil. Because this my slippers is smelling groundnut oil. Chineke melu gebele. Let it be that you tampered with my groundnut oil. Can go sigi ifoku jinti okeme. I'll be right back.
Mama. Mama.
Will you marry me? Please say yes.
Yes. Oh my God.
Right.
I'm not doing this. Where are these girls? Where are these fools? Buju! Buju! Where are these idiots? Come here. Where are the rest fools? Come out there, all of you, come out! Come outside this minute. I can't do this anymore. No, I'm done. Oh, shut up! Keep your greetings to yourself. Keep your greetings to yourself. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Are you mad? Have you lost it? Who gave you the audacity to talk when I'm still talking? Sorry, ma. Idiots. Oh my God. No, I can't take this anymore. I've got things up to here. It's killing me. No, go this way. Stay there. Stay. Listen. I'm too young. I'm too young for this. I cannot go through the pains of birthing a child. Just look at me. Do you know what it means? Do you know how inconveniencing being pregnant is? All the aches, all the migraine, everything. And he wants me to birth a child. I'm complaining of my weight. He wants to add to it. Listen. I'm done with your master. Whatsoever his name is, Mr. Mark or whatever. I am done. We are no more engaged. So go inside. Pack everything that belongs to me. Every of my property. Bring it outside. I'm leaving. I'm done. Oh my God. I can't believe this. I should ruin my shape. I'm complaining that I've gained weight and he wants me. Is that all? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Bring it this way. Keep it this way. Yes, keep it. Good. The world has to know. Everyone has to know what I have been going through. They need to know. Because the emotional abuse is something I don't wish for anyone. You can't say you love me, yet you abuse me emotionally. Everyone has to know how inconsiderate Mark is. I'm done. I can't take this anymore. Yes, I'm a strong woman. It's fine. I'll be strong, okay? Yeah, I'm freaking out, but it's okay. God, only God knows what I've been going through. It's fine. You're fine now. You. Let me take this thing. Oh, my footwear. Bring it. I don't want anything left in this house. Take this thing. Let's eat yours. Oh, your car. You're still there. Don't come up with this thing. What is there? You want to kill me? You want to die doing childbirth? Because of what? You want to get married?
Hey!
Make I hear what?
That God save Oga from this mad woman.
Now just a mad woman is it all. When they go see better people like us, they no go want stand make we stay. Now when anyway, man not talk.
Beg your name, shut up.
What do you mean shut up?
Make I tell you something. You see your size. Your shoe size gave different for that gate.
Oh yeah, your head no correct. Which your sister? Come my body down, they drive me up and down.
No, nah, they just say your level dey for the
which your level? God forbid. You know they see your level for there. You don't see me as I be free package.
Forget. Shut up. Your level dey for gate.
I dey warn you.
Where they walk?
I dey warn you. If I change, don't touch me. I dey well.
Am
I change? Wait.
Madam,
they come.
Mr. B, Rachel has called off the engagement. As we speak, she packed out of my house.
I saw her post on Instagram. She was even shedding tears.
Women and fakeness.
She claimed you gave her emotional abuse. I was wondering.
Mr. B, let me tell you, all those are lies. She lied.
What? Okay. Now talk to me. What is the problem?
Okay. Let me answer you. She said she's not ready for childbearing at the moment. She does not want to give me a child. I don't know what her problem is. She said, I don't know whether she still wants to do modeling and all that. Imagine me, CEO of our Amazon group of company, adopting a child.
That's insane. What? Okay. There's a solution.
Which is?
You've heard of surrogacy now, right?
Yeah, I've heard of that.
I don't think that would be a bad idea suggesting it to her. I mean, the baby is still yours, it's your flesh, it's your blood. The difference is you're hiring a womb to carry the baby, that's all. People do it, so I don't see any big deal in that.
The problem here is, will she accept to do it? You know how to... I don't even want to talk about this. Why won't she give me a child? Why? Eh?
Well, you are the one dating her, not me. Look, you understand the kind of person she is. She's a career-driven woman, okay? Just talk to her about it first. And let's move on from that. You never can tell. You might be lucky. Don't take too long. The lady says it's dangerous.
Uche, don't you think it is time you stop all this nonsense business? Eh? Just choose one and focus on it. Do you want to venture into all kinds of business? Eh? I'm now a laughingstock in the whole village because of you. Eh? Why?
I don't hear. But what do you want make I do? Which business you want make I do? Mama, na hustle like the hustle. Na bombo nisi onwe.
I know. But this is not the best way. Eh? Okay. What happened to sales girl?
Eh?
Eh? Or you go back to school?
Eh?
Eh?
Mama? Mama? Me like this? Like this? As you go and become sales girl to one stupid oga or madam? Can I send them mother sa, ma, like this? Nah, mama, stop it. I don't like it. Eh? Or I'll go back to school after how many years? Mama, stop saying that. Like I said before, now hustle like the hustle. Nah, very soon the hustle will pay. And you'll tabaka. Very soon. Calm down.
I don't understand. You said I should stop what? Eh? Uche, I'm talking to you.
Mama, leave me alone. Headache. I don't like it. Please. Even Banu's Erika today, oh, I'm tired. I beg, leave me. Let me rest.
God. When will I start enjoying the fruit of my labor?
Very soon. That is why I'm hustling. So that in no distant time, if you don't chabaka, you live ife. It'll be okay, like other women. Your duty as my mother is to pray for me. Be positive. Eh? Not to be telling me, talking to me anyhow.
Why is my own different? Kese can come to teacher. Eh?
Uche wa mama. Uche wa mama.
Mother no can own herself.
Uche wa mama. Uche, how you doing now? Uche wa mama.
Yes. Use your head.
My head.
Ross, come off from my house.
Uche, calm down. I bring big business for you, big job for you.
It is how they play. I say make you use your head. Come off from my house.
Hey!
Business kill you there, idiot. Foolish boy. Take your stupid. Let me see you in my house again. Foolish boy. With your useless, stupid ideas.
Opomo.
Timo! Bien.
Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry.
What is sorry?
It was a mistake.
Look at this mad boy.
Mama, sorry, calm down.
Mama,
calm down now. Calm down.
What is calm down? Tim, calm down.
It was a mistake.
What is mistake? Ebube, what is mistake? Eh? This thing is not a mistake. Akwagi? So after smoking all the Indian hemp in this world, your next line of action is to push me down up, yeah?
Mama, I did not smoke anything. I did not smoke anything this morning. It's not your daughter that was pursuing me with a cutlass. Eh?
It's again.
Yes, now.
Come back. You mean my daughter was the one chasing you with cars?
Mama, if not that I'm a smart boy, by now my head would have been in your compound dripping blood. Why are you laughing?
Hey! Why am I laughing? I'm laughing because of the good news. Yes, since it's my daughter that is chasing you with cutlass, if for that God has answered my prayers. You are the worst mistake in my daughter's life. Yes! Ebube, because of you, my daughter no longer thinks well. She no longer behaves like a girl, a responsible girl, because of you.
Mama, you are insulting me. Stop insulting me, Mama.
Yes.
You are insulting me.
You are Pusiano.
How do you mean?
I'm insulting you.
You are insulting me.
I'm insulting you. Odima, so what can you do? What will you do? Mama, beat me up.
Mama, I know why.
Beat me up.
I have single bone. I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know why I'm
keeping quiet. Beat me up, Ebube.
Mama, I know why I'm keeping quiet. I have single bone.
Don't keep quiet.
Mama, I have single bone. I know why I'm keeping
quiet.
You
have single bone. Beat me up.
This hand is for destruction. I know why I'm
keeping
quiet.
Destroy me. Destroy me. Let me say.
You're my mother-in-law. I can't destroy you. You're my mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
My strength is for my enemies, not for you. I know why I'm keeping quiet.
Your strength. Your Igbo strength. Your Indian hem strength.
Mama, I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know why I'm keeping quiet.
What can you do?
I know why I'm keeping quiet.
What can you do?
You are my mother-in-law.
Beat me now. What can you do?
Mama, I cannot beat you. Leave me. Leave me. I know why I'm keeping quiet. This hand is for destruction. I know why I'm holding it.
This left boy. Nekodi. Come and beat me now. Come back. I don't Pama. I don't blame you. I blame my daughter. Gani bono no balwanza. Nekodi. Ozungulangu. Ekale kuluka. Owolo obejili. Obejili. Kosa your brain.
No for lazy man, you must hustle. Make it hustle for survival. I said make it hustle. We must survive. Whether good or bad, we must survive. Come rain or shine, we go survive. If you fail today, make you try tomorrow. If you fail tomorrow, make you try again. We must survive. We must survive. So make you try, and let the rest of God. Businesswoman, try, and let the rest to God. Businesswoman, now God do the pay. Now God do the pay. Businesswoman, now God do the lift too. Now in the bless. Businesswoman, try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Businesswoman, try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Businesswoman, make you hustle every day. Oh. Businesswoman, I say make you hustle up and down. Oh. Businesswoman, now go to the pay. Now in the lift. Oh.
It's my rice, sweet Nigerian rice. Joy. I don't finish am. If you finish, make you finish. Now who want the job? Anybody will price my rice. I will tell and say one plate na 500 naira, so I can recover.
Customer. See as you find today. Eh? Sweet burial rice. Burial rice. They say burial rice, the sweet.
Burial rice.
You get one kind sweet way the sweet.
Now wedding rice I want. I don't want burial rice.
Like that now. Don't be like that. I just want to tell you say the food sweet well. Yes. Okay, you said not 200.
And that's 200 naira only.
Since not 200 because the plate of my rice na 500. Wait, make I reduce it.
Excuse me. You are eating the food.
No, not the chop am. I dey reduce am because the plate of my food na 500 naira. You want 200 naira own. I don reduce am to 200 naira. Take your food.
And you are reducing it, eating directly from my food.
Wait till you don't understand. Your mouth no clean pass my food. I say I don reduce am to 200 naira. Wait till you don't understand. Carry food dey go abeg.
Nonsense. I'm not eating.
You are not eating.
Yes, I'm not buying again.
Who is begging you to buy? Come on here. Come on here before I break you like chewing stick. See how she be.
Leave her.
See with your yellow head. Look at you.
Nonsense.
Small girl like you. Don't dey chop wetin your mama dey chop. You don't fit cook for house. Lazy girl. Small girl, big engine. See you. Idiot. Who wants sell food for you? You no get levels. I dey sell food for customers wey get levels. Eh? You no get levels. See as you be. If I stand here, make I break you like chewing stick. You know happy say I put my sweet mouth inside the food. So I take chop all my rice finish. But I'm still hungry. I count my money first. ₦800. I prepared this rice with 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira. And I could not get up to 1,000 naira from the sale of the rice. Which kind of life be this? I be they cost me. Not be the same God creates me. Why be say my own hustle they always go left? Other people, small thing they go blow. Small time they go blow. My own they go left like this.
Uche, you mean you ate all the rice you went to sell?
Mama, if you talk like that, it would be like say I chop the rice intentionally. I don't be like that. I just say make I test them. As I waka, I say make I taste the rice. I know whether it's still sweet. As I taste them small, I don't know when the thing go down. They go down, I can't finish. My hustle can't go wrong.
Eh? And you're not even ashamed to say it. Why won't your hustling go wrong? Tell me, why won't it go wrong? Eh? When you tied up your brain in a bag before you start any business. Eh?
Mama, you don't start. Mama, the sun too much, I beg. I don't work out. My body they pain me. I dey hungry. No tell me that kind of thing, I beg. I don't need them.
So how much?
You chop remain for me.
Chop what remain for you?
You need to ask you, make I go kitchen to find out myself.
Kedu no do on wedding carry go. Eh?
Hello, babe. Please calm down, okay? We need to talk. Oh, yes. Calm down. Okay, no problem.
Uju, where are you from? I mean, give me a peek into your background.
Madam, I'm from Enugu State. 042. And for my family will be 8. My wicked uncle kill 4. Not remain 4. Wicked man.
That's enough. That's enough. You know what? You can go. Hey, madam, I said you can go. You. Hello? Are you okay?
Is it fine? Ma.
Oh, that's okay. What about you? Where are you from?
Ma, I come from Abakaliki. One father. Ma, now only suffer make me come this work. If not, I know for day here. I won't make big money for my family. Consent, give them. May they build big house for me.
That's enough with this your poverty.
Man, never finish.
I said I am not interested. Just get out. Join your colleague.
Go get that. You are not young. Go to your colleague.
And you? What about you?
Madam, I saw me. Maybe in some Igbo, I know be Omo Igbo. So you Omo Ijebu. You are no Ibese. We are so Feselu. Sorry, I came for you Enugu. I stay for you. Don't intimidate me. They intimidate some.
You know what? That's enough. I'm not caught up with this. You're already spitting on me. Just go.
I spit on you. Oh, madam.
Get out.
I get out.
Join your colleague. Thank you. How'd you go?
So what do we do now? As they didn't meet up your requirements.
I have the list of the surrogate homes in this town. Perhaps they might help. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever makes you happy, I'm good. Right?
God, you're such a sweetheart. Come here. I love you.
Who's that?
Oh, business.
Business. Hey, cancel every business.
Babe. Babe. Babe, stop.
Yeah, come in. Hello. Good day. Good day. Good day,
Yeah,
sir.
good day. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Okay, have a seat.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, how may I help you, sir?
Well, my name is Mark,
Okay.
and she is my fiancée.
Oh.
I'm Rachel.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well, we are here. We are in need of a surrogate mother, someone that is fit enough to carry our bundle of joy.
Okay, it's all right. You are actually at the right place. Yes.
Thank you.
So, but before we proceed, you have to fill a form, first of all, and then you have to undergo some kind of therapy classes, which will help to ascertain your level of understanding. So it will help guide you throughout this journey.
The Biafra, eh? Hi. Biafran boys. Hi. These boys never cease to amaze me. Oh. See war. Hey, hey, Kokoma. Hey. Ndenana. Aya.
Ebus.
What's happen?
Ebus.
Huh? What did they find for this place?
Which one be what am I doing here? And because of that small pursue I pursued for my house the other day. No, see. I no use my clear eye pursue you that day.
Wait.
No,
you pursued me with knife. You dey call am small thing. Had it been I no get long legs, for cut off my head though.
No, I no fit do that kind of thing now. I joke with you.
I beg, leave me. Leave here.
Hey, Boos. My guys.
They don't tune me.
My paddy.
They don't tune me now.
Better
They don't tune me.
See, now you know
Don't they tune me.
You know be my love.
If you say you cut my head that day, I know for be your guy.
I know do that kind of thing. I play with you.
See. I know why I leave you. Now because say my love for you is blind, imbecile, deaf and dumb. I make anything way they do like say I know they hear anything. Now because of the imbecilic love I have for you, I don't forgive
my
you.
My own love for you they see. You see. I love you. They see. So how you dey?
See. Thank God say you come here. You get waiting I keep for you. You get one business way on ground now. See, no dey frown your face now.
Nah, beg you. I be wait. You won't finish me finally. Another business. All the businesses where you don't tell me. I just happy say I carry my head like this. JJ come out. You won't put my head for another business. Nah. They send you. Now you be the village people.
Wait, now this is your negative mindset. Now they make our business no they progress. The idea never even come out finish. You don't they get negative thoughts. That's so they take do something. Even Abraham Lincoln of United States of America. You know how many times when he fell election before he become the president of America. See, this business we are going to make millions upon millions.
Millions.
Yes, now. See.
I don't believe you.
Wait,
how?
Now listen. Let me unveil it. Let me unveil it for you. See, See, I hear them for news. You get one company where me and them don't talk. They say they are looking for surrogate mother, and their normal salary they are going to pay ×3 of their normal salary. Me and them don't talk. If I tell them say I get person who go fit do the work well.
Wait.
You know what in me millions upon millions.
Chelo, wait. You say na surrogate?
No be surrogate na egwu mmụọ na. I'm talking of surrogate mother. You are talking of surrogate. What does surrogate get to do with surrogate?
Okay, what are they doing? What did they do?
Forget about the pronunciation. I've done all the arrangements. All you need to do now is to go house, pack your bags. You are leaving for the city.
Hey. So like this, as you don't try all your business idea, you know work. Now me you won't do business finally. Hey Bube. So you don't arrange with your surrogate people, make you sell me. If you don't collect money on top of my head, you say make I go pack my bag. They go city. As if you know anybody for city. Let me tell you, I get sense past you.
So me.
You no go fit sell me to ritualists.
Me Ebube Nwokike. They find person when I want sell. When I want use make money, now the love of my life. Now I want use make the money. No, now. Which why they talk like that now? You know what? You don't suppose know what now go fit do and wait. Now me and you start this thing together. You have always wanted this opportunity to go to the city and make it big and come back and pick me up.
But don't be like this now. You are not saying you don't know anybody for city. I not say you don't get connection. Forget all this courage where you say you get. I not say you don't get anything.
Ebube, I no go fit disappoint you. You don't want the millions. You know this is the last opportunity where we get to. When we know you advertise this opportunity, we feel not get them again for this our whole life. I know what now they tell you. Just pack your things and go.
But wait. On more serious note, this your surrogate company. I really work. They ready to pay millions.
What I'm telling you now is more than reality. It's a Yaiti. Just go and pack your bags. You no get time. Leave for the city. Make it big. Come back and pick me up. I am tired of this village,
No talk again. Make I go pack my bag.
Get a kebian now. Hi. Don't hammer. God, we don't hammer. We don't see that God do. I don't know who tell me to open news. I'm not used to news. So Make I know whether I go hear another one.
My hustle, they carry me go city. Mama can't je boutique. Can why not do for man?
Uche.
Yes.
City.
Yes.
What do you know in the city? Eh? They gonna kiss a city mama can't je boutique. So you think they pluck money from the city? Eh? So city blue go uko. Eh? Biko, you're my only child. Biko. We're rituals. Biko.
Mama, stop that. Stop talking to me like a child. Ritual again. Mama, you see my hair logo. Nobody will use me for. What are you saying? Stop talking to me like a fool, Biko.
Oh, so you don't know? You don't know you're a big fool. Uche Gima that can easily be deceived.
So you gave birth to a fool. Like this now, you go mama fool, okay? I hate you. You gave birth to a fool. This is bad draw.
You're not going anywhere.
Mama.
Biko, I said you're going nowhere.
Let me go.
You must listen to me. You don't know anybody in the city. I cannot afford to lose you.
Mama, I have no pay in any mom. Kajebuti Mama, look at our house. If I come back with convoy, I'm not of my gun. Look at the likes of E-Money them, Obi Kubana. Won't you like me to be like them?
Uche, you're dreaming. After so many failed businesses.
Mama, leave my bag.
Uche, listen to me.
Mama, leave my bag.
Listen to me.
Mama, I don't want to disrespect you. Make it not be like, say, person disrespecting Mama. I go push you. I go push you.
You push me? What are you push me?
Mama, leave my bag. Mama, I go push you. Leave my bag. Mama, do you like this property? Push you. Do you like the way we are living here? Mama, leave my bag. Mama, leave my bag. I'll push you. I'll push my mother. Mama, hear me. Mama, I'll push you.
Why are you behaving like this now, Uche? Why are you behaving like this, Uche?
Mama, give me my bag.
Stop now.
Mama, give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Did I hear?
Don't worry, I'll come back and I'll buy a car for you.
Uche! Chimo, onye ka mmejo biko no, onye ka mmejo, who have I offended? God, please, protect her for me. Guide her for me. Uche doesn't know anyone in the city. Yet that evil boy compelled her to go there. I don't want to lose my only daughter. Come outside. Ebube! Where is he? Ebube! Whatever your name is. Whether Ebube or Abubao, come out! Ebube! Come out, oh! Come out! Ebube! Where is he? You must come out, oh! You must come out wherever you are. If for that your time, it must end today. You must provide my daughter for me. Get the one more here. Ebube! Odema, I am here for you. I am here for you. You think you have succeeded to send my daughter to unknown destination? To no man's land. You must provide my daughter today. You must, so. And I'm here, check it. That remote control you're using to control my daughter. Eh? Nonsense. Hey, Bube! No problem. I know what to do. I'll come back for you. Bachalum. Mwa. Bachalum. Wherever you are, I know you can hear me. Bachalum. Muna here, Walia.
Hi. Nah, this woman brutal. Hi. This one no get joy at all. Hi, but Ebube, you too much. Ebube, get away, you too smart, Ebube. I have to say I'm not smart, this woman for catch me. Ebube, you too smart, I too like you, Ebube. This woman brutal. See life.
Hello, madam.
What's this? Hello?
Yes, I did here. I did the park.
Oh, you are there?
And the park where when you say make I stop, now there I did where they sell food.
Okay. Oh yeah, just hold on. I'll be with you shortly. I'll be right there soon.
Okay, make I no come out. Okay, I did wait.
Oh, okay. It's alright.
Wetin come dey hold this woman now, eh? I don't dey here, I don't tired. Everybody don't dey go.
Hello, Miss Uche. How are you? I am Mrs. Bumi.
Now you?
Yes, it's nice to meet you. Okay, can we go now?
Go, where will they go?
Of course, to my office, so we can discuss business terms and conditions.
Business. I like that one. No, go discuss business.
So make you try, and let the rest of God. Business woman, try, and let the rest to God. Business woman, the God do the pay. The God do the pay, oh. Business woman, the God do the lift it to, oh. The him the bless, oh. Business woman, try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Business woman, try your best to. Who knows tomorrow?
Once again, you are welcome to my office, Miss Uchi. Thank you.
Office family.
Thank you very much. You know, here is a place of light where we help numerous women around the world with the help of women like you. You know, I guess Mr. Ebube has given you some highlights about the whole thing.
You don't tell me everything. You tell me say you will give me millions. Why I come here, make you give me my millions.
Calm down. You know, that's part of the process, but not the main issue.
Hey, you know, give me the money.
Don't worry. First of all, you have to undergo a test to ascertain how perfect your reproductive organs are. And then after that, we have to get your vital information on your background.
Why would I distress myself? Me, I be terrible. Everywhere still tight like that. Nothing. For my background, we don't get teeth. For my family, no thief, no ashawo, no nothing. I hustle, they hustle.
I understand.
Yeah, we'll get back.
Okay, after
so just give me the millions.
Don't worry. After that, we'll have to hook you up with the clients. We'll link you up with the clients, so we'll know your negotiation on your quarter payment after implementation. Then after that, we'll take care of all your needs, your necessities, and then when you deliver, you will now hand over the product to the client. You understand? After that, we'll now pay you your money in full that runs in millions of naira.
Very calm. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for you to say this thing. Millions.
Calm down.
That is why I came to this city. Millions. I'm boutique. They told me so much about this Unasroge company. Millions, million. Everywhere good. Thank you, madam. I am ready.
I guess you have not been listening to me, Uche.
I've been listening.
Are you sure?
You say you could give me millions. I hear you well. I hear you well.
Okay, now let's go and run a test. Let's go to the lab.
Uche. You are so happy, you.
You can carry my bag.
Yeah, you're free to carry everything. Let's go.
Wow, congratulations, Miss Uche. You have passed the first test. This is a wonderful result. I can see you are so endowed.
Hey! Me, I know the surprise. I tell you, I will pass. Everything still dey chill. For my family, we know they do bad thing. Me like this, I know they do bad thing. I be hustler, I be businesswoman. As for bad thing, my hand no dey. So I know say I will pass.
Uche. Okay, don't worry.
I
understand. Okay, let me just put a call across to the client.
Call. Time no dey.
No problem.
Hey.
Yeah, hello, sir. Welcome, Mr. Mark, and welcome, Ms. Rachel. It's nice to have you guys here.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is Uche's results, and I guess you will be impressed with this results.
All right.
Yes.
Let me take a look at this. Okay, yes.
No need to check everything, Marama. Everything good.
Take a look.
See? Oh wow. I think I like her already.
I like it too.
Oh, see that?
Okay, you can stand up so we can see your endowment.
Yeah, just turn around.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's not necessary. Oh, sense of humor.
So funny.
So let's start the paperwork. So
okay.
Yeah, I think you said something about running a test on both of us. Yeah, the fertility test.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so let's do the paperwork.
I just hope it's not painful.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, come in. Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Good day.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You can have a seat.
Thank you. You're really looking beautiful. Ooh, thank you. You too. Okay, I would have loved it if you are here with your fiancé. Oh, that. Don't bother. I'll relate everything to him. Besides, he said we can go ahead with it. Oh, yes. He actually called me. He said he was on a business trip. Exactly. So, can I get the results? Yes, you can. Of course. There's a little problem. What could that be? Your ovaries are not healthy enough for intro fertilization. So you need to undergo some kind of treatment. No way. And don't worry. You just have to calm down, please. You just have to calm down, madam. You know, you have to lose some weight and be patient, please. Sorry, hold on. Did I hear you talk about weights? Like my body system changes? Yes. No, I'm sorry. That's not possible because I am a model and I wouldn't do anything to change my body system. I mean, this is my business. This is my me. This is what I do for a living. Listen, I'll do anything to make this possible, but definitely not changing my body system. I'm not trying to shed some weight. I can't alter my body. Madam, what do you want us to do? Does it mean you are not ready to have a child? Exactly. I am not desperate to have any child. It is my fiancé that needs a child at all costs. And I am ready to give him a child. It mustn't necessarily come from me. You get the point now. It mustn't come from my ovaries. We could just, you understand, like do one or two to get him a child. Even if it means getting someone like, listen, I will pay you handsomely. Any amount, just name your price. You see, I think this girl, what's her name? Uche. I think Uche's ovaries can sell. Perfect. Why don't we just get her and you understand? It should be a secret between both of us. Any amount. What are you trying to say, madam? I mean, Uche. Uche should carry the child. We should use her ovaries. I will pay her, I'll pay you. You know money is not the problem. Listen, support, just help me. You know this woman to woman, women supporting women thing. I know you can do it. Just help me. Please. This is really hard. Seriously, this is hard, madam. Please. It's not that.
Sir, the insemination went well.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't think she can continue to stay with us. We have to take her back to the village.
Village?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I don't think that's a good idea. Can you just give us a minute?
Oh,
yes, please.
It's fine.
What is it?
Baby, we can't send her back to the village.
Okay, maybe I will get an apartment for her to stay. What do you think?
No, that's not a good idea either. Babe, she's carrying our child. Well, I suggest we bring her in. I mean, take her home.
Take her to my house?
Yes, honey. Baby, listen. In that way, we can monitor her day-to-day activity. Put an eye on her. What if she runs away with our
it's okay.
child?
Whatever you want is fine.
Thank you, darling. Okay, well, we have decided to take her home with us.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
That's
in
nice.
that way we can put an eye on her, check her day-to-day activities, and make sure she's in good health.
Okay, thank you so much. That's so thoughtful of you.
It's fine.
Yeah.
All right. So are we going to her now?
Of course.
Yes,
you
yes,
are.
yes, sure. We're going there now.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, we'll wait for...
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, just hold on. Let me
All right.
call her.
It's fine, it's
Yeah.
fine.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right,
Yeah.
all right.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll not take time. Leave me outside, though, so...
Welcome, madam.
How are you?
Oh, hi.
Oga, welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Oga, welcome.
See house. Wait. Na only two of una dey live for this big house.
Well, I have something like this. Do I'm always.
Wait. You, woman like me, you get house way big like this one. Hey!
Oh.
Hey! Hey! Who can talk say woman no fit make am? So woman like you get something like this. Na him be say my hustle must pay one day. Una be millionaires. Una get money. You see why I dey hustle? May God bless me. Can boutique, can live in fair. Look at me in my village. Na only our Igwe. Na only I'm getting maids and guards. Even me, I don't dey apply. Make I become one of the maids since they never agree take me.
Madam, can I have your bag, please?
Aju, carry go. Do your job. Hey! Chineke, see services. See services.
Let's go in. Let's go in. Yeah? Let's go inside.
Go in. Abeg, no waste. I wan use Kanwala Christmas. I want to look around before I come inside.
It's fine. All right, baby. Let's go inside.
Money is good. Money is good. Money is good. See house. It is why I am hustling. God, I beg. For this city where I don't come like this, I beg, reason me. I know they smell. God, reason me. Can boutique? Can no door for me? See that woman. She has a house like this. A woman like me. And you're telling me that I cannot make it. Says who? I go make her. Haha, my hustle must pay.
All right, so this is your room. Yes.
My room as in only me go to sleep here.
Yes, of course. This is the wardrobe. There's hanger inside. If you want to hang your things, you can just arrange them here. Then that's the convenience. Your toilet, your bathroom.
Wait, you mean say now only me go to sleep for this room? Only me?
Of course.
Madam, now this kind room, now this kind bed we dey for our Igwe bedroom. Now like this, the room where they decorate like that, where my Igwe they sleep. So only me go to sleep for this kind of place.
You're welcome. Just in case you need anything.
Pillow soft.
Oh. Like as I was saying. Oh my god. No, it's okay. It's fine. Okay, so as I was saying, in case you need anything, the girls will send you. Okay. Just don't stress yourself. You know.
I know.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's fine.
This. Jay. Okay, you're just here, just like that.
No. I said no. No. I don't want you to go.
Baby.
I don't want you to go, please.
Baby, just calm down. Okay? I have to go. I mean, I must go. Please don't stop me.
Babe, no. We just came back from the hospital yesterday, right? I don't think you're strong enough to embark on this journey. No.
Baby, I am strong enough. I mean, you should be concerned about Uche, not me. Okay?
Hey, babe. I said I don't want you to go, right? Moreover, you're going to take time. I know you very well. Can I tell you something? I have enough money to take care of you. I have money to take you around the world, right? You don't need all this modeling, whatever thing you're going for.
Baby, this is not about you. You're making it seem like it's about you. It is not. This is about me. This is my career. This is what I love to do. This is me. Please just let me go. We don't have time.
Where going to?
I dey go buy bread. The one wey Uju give me inside. You know reach anywhere. I still dey hungry.
I have full loaf in the dining table.
Oga, that one, you no go anywhere. You know, say for village that they chop well. Now what they chop, now because I don't see how the bread is very small.
Well, you finished that one? Just you?
Just I say the bread small. You don't understand. That's all that they chop for this city. No wonder I no get flesh for body. The bread is small. Make I go help myself outside. They come.
I will come back. Uju! Uju! Give her another loaf of bread.
God bless you.
Oga, she don't eat one big one, no.
Shut up! How it take concern you? Now you be Oga. He say make you give me one loaf of bread. They hear they talk rubbish. Eh? Are they the same size with you? Now you the chop am. Come give me something, I beg. This compound is big, oh. Hey! I don't run around 55 times. I don't tire. Hey. I will say my bobo dey here. I will say it will be dey here for the gist with them, for the gossip with them. Hey, this one only me just dey here. And they don't do anything, I just dey chop, they sleep. Eh? I be make I start another business. But the business wey carry me come here, I never even do and finish. They never even give me the millions of naira wey they promise me, except the 100,000 naira. And that 100,000 naira, me and him will go share am. I be make I use my own shares, open another business, a small business. Yes! Hey! Hey! I go use my own share of the money, 50,000 naira, open another business. Yeah, that is using one stone to kill two birds. Hey! Oh! I took guesses. See. I'm a businesswoman. Hey! Hey! I go start business. I go start business.
Uche is definitely hiding something from me. I'll go to that city and see things for myself. God, help her for me. Protect my only daughter. Please, do not allow anything to happen to her or let her take a bad decision.
go pay. Amaka, what is happening here?
As you can see, we are just coming from theater. She just delivered a bouncing baby boy, as if you're blind.
Amaka, so you betrayed me. After convincing me to leave my man, you went behind me to sleep with him? Look at the arrant rubbish you're saying from your mouth. Who made Ebube your man? Who made him your man? Answer me. The last time I checked, Uche is his main chick, okay? Ebube is the man for all. You are standing here and this idiot girl is talking to me and you can't do anything about it.
What do you want me to say? You people have succeeded in turning me to Bina Barora. What do you want me to say? All I need now is just yogurt and banana. Finish. Yes.
Amaka, I will not share Ebube with you. Never! Oh, and you think I want to share him either? He is now my man, so I am not ready to share him with anybody. You are very stupid. You are mad. In short, you are a second-class shigo.
This is my mansion.
You think you are better than me?
This is my house.
Take a very good look at me. Are you better than me? Look at me.
Please,
I am not going to share him with you.
See, here is my mansion.
And you think I want to share him with you either? You know what? Ugo, just take a look. Take a good look at yourself. Take a good look at yourself. I will not share him. Stupid girl. I will not share him. If you are shame on you, he will not leave you. You think I want to stand there and batter? Shame on you. Come back. Shame on you. Hey. Okay.
Uche, what is it?
I beg no verse. Get waiting. I won't follow you talk.
Oh really? What is it?
Okay, your guy, I won't beg you. I won't start small business. Even if not to sell pure water in front of your gates. Just one small business like that. Make money they enter my hands, small.
Uche, there's something I want you to know. You are living in an estate. So whatever thing you want to sell is not permitted here. Did you get it? Please cancel selling stuffs. I will not allow it. Okay? Just tell me what you need. I will provide it for you.
No, Oga, you don't understand. You see, I'll not be that kind of person with a cross leg, full hand. I get my bloody hot. I be hustler. I won't see money. I won't touch money. I won't count money. I won't chop am. You understand? So this city where I come, I go chop, I go sleep, I go drink. No be my lifestyle be that. No be my lifestyle be that. No be like that you they do now. You build this house, buy car now.
Wait. I understand you, right? But there is something I want you to know. I spent a lot for you to carry my baby in your womb. I wouldn't want anything to happen to my unborn child. Do you get it? Okay. I don't want you to stress yourself. Allow me to finish, please. Okay. Listen, whatever thing you need, tell me. I will give it to you. Okay?
The baby dey my belly. You know dey my hand. You know dey my leg. I dey strong. I feel run things.
Please respect my wish. Thank you.
Oh, Oga, abeg. See as you dey comot every day, dey hustle. You know the day house dey sleep. Come build this kind big house. Come buy this big house. Oga, abeg, reason my matter na, abeg. You go think about am, abi? Oga. See this one. Say I get belle. Because I get belle, I no fit walk. For my village, even women we their belly don't get 9 months pregnancy. They pound up more. They fetch water. They go market. They do plenty things. Say me get belly, damn day this, and then every time I go fold my eyes, I go to sleep. All I come there here. And like that, I come to boutique. I beg, go. Reason I'm more. I go to disturb you. I beg.
Isn't it? Go complete Oga.
Would you wait me this now? Me, I don't tire.
You don't tire for it. Yeah, give person work, make it do. So you not fit do one.
Hey, my guys! Fine people. Hey!
This one you happy like this.
Business day ground.
What is this?
Say, what is this? Business day ground. Eh?
What's this?
Better business, oh. Hey! Better business.
I think interested.
Talk and make we talk. You are interested?
Yes.
All of you are interested? Yes. Una be my guy! Brother, I like Una. And I get the same hustling spirit, the same business spirit like me. Yes.
But wait, before I could conclude my intention, I must know the business.
Why you talk like that?
I think I know the business.
Why you talk like that? Go my village, go ask question. Now me be Uchi, Och, the hustler, Och, the businesswoman, Och, Onyo Koko. Eh? Hey, anyway we business day, I go follow her. Ha, na me ask Ebube. Ebube know everything about me. Ebube knows I know they carry business play.
Who be Ebube?
Ebube na my boyfriend. Now he connect me to this business. But that one, no be that one I won't talk now. Waiting carry me come now and be say as I dey waka down the streets. I see people where they dance. They dance. They dance. He come be say if they dance finish, they go pay them.
Hey. Money? Just dancing? So about. I'm not sure. Because you know with them they just dance, they can't give them money. They are just having fun. Forget that.
Who fun help? Waiting be fun. Ha! 500,000! They will give 500,000 to the best dancer.
Yeah. Hey!
Waiting. Listen first. Wait, listen. Waiting carry me come be say. As we dey like this, 4 of us, I want make we form group. Learn the dance. Practice it, perfect it, then we'll go dance and then we will collect that money. 500,000, if we share, I mean, know what it goes for us.
But wait, if we join this group now, who will sponsor us? And you know, say, Oga, what even here?
Forget Oga. Oga, una account case. I go handle Oga. As for sponsor, hey, he carry me the play. Now me be out, businesswoman. Money dey ground. Money dey my pocket. I get 50,000. Sponsors.
You having more?
I go use and sponsor us. We go do the practice.
Don't wait.
Yes. No plenty talk. If they play the show.
Yes, sir.
If you are with me, follow me.
Do the Yaza of the dance. Do the Yaza of the dance.
Dance. Shake with shake. Almost okay. Your waist now. Bend your waist. Sideways. I watch it. Oh! He's smiling. Not just.
What is going on here?
Okay, now dance with the dance. You want join us? Money they involve, plenty money.
Which I said, what is going on in my house?
Okay. We not even the quarrel. Now cultural dance with the dance. Cultural dance. Now waiting with the dance.
Cultural dance in my house? When did that start? Huh? Uju.
Sir?
What is going on here? Uju, come here.
Hey.
Stand there. What is going on in my house?
It's Madam Uche. She said we should dance, that they will give us big money.
They will give you money? Who will give you money? Uche, speak.
Okay. No say normally I be hustler. You yourself, you know that one. So as I dey waka for street the other day, I can't see small children with they dance. As they dance. I can't ask question. They tell me say the group will go win the dance. They will give them 500,000. Ah! Okay, I reason am again. I said no. This one no go pass me by. As I come back house, I can't tell my guys. Now we dey here they learn the dance. If you learn and finish, we go there. Dance the dance, collect the money, share am. Everywhere goes. Go to
go. She na children kini do agbo aka and jo for small children month in the world. And then you good.
Wetin dey do this one?
Uche has.
Ofe man.
Che, Uche bugo kwa.
My okay, so na the dance
Hey,
now.
shut up. So it did not occur to you that is a school cultural performance? And you must be a student before you partake in it.
Oh, okay, forget that thing. The dance now for everybody.
Shut up. You must be careful with me in this house. Did you hear what I said? Uju?
Sir?
So you are so dumb, right? You joined her.
Sorry, sir.
Why did you do that?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Are you a fool too?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's Uche.
Then get out of my presence. Now.
Ozbo.
Go inside.
Oh, Uche.
Uche, I'm talking to you. Get out. Be careful with me in this house. Cultural dance, cultural whatever. In my own house? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Eh? You want to institute what is... Let me tell you. Be careful with me.
My son, please hurry. Call her back again. Because...
Let me dead number again. The phone is ringing.
It's ringing?
Yes. Did you speak?
Hello? Uche? Uche, where are you? I had a very terrible dream. Listen, I know you be sharp girl, but this is something we need to sit down and discuss. We need to talk, please. Where are you? Uche, whose voice be that? Eh? Are you pregnant? Eh?
Mama Uche, I hope all is well.
Yes. Hello, Mama. Terrible dream, kwa. Mama Biakwa. Don't worry. You see that your dream, you know if it happen. I be strong girl. Nothing will happen to me. See me as what? Eh? You want to breastfeed me? I'm not a child. I can take care of myself. I be big girl. Don't worry yourself. Just take care of yourself in that village. Don't worry about me.
Huh? Uche, why you no want to tell your mama say you carry belly? Sorry.
Mama, you get something where I won't go do now, eh? I go call you back, eh? Bye-bye. They are working in Apwala. They Chris. What it concern you concern the call why they make?
Local madam, no verse. No mistake.
No call me that. Why they always call me local madam? No, as you dey like this now, you didn't say you foreign pass me. Eh? Like this, as you dey like this.
But why they talk like you know na say na true? You know say you from village, come here.
Uh-huh.
Shebi you know.
For me now, if you look me, you no say, I be foreign care.
Ope.
Yes.
You see this belle wey you carry? If no be say my village people follow me come city, they no wan make I shine. Na me for carry this belle.
Foreign girl.
Hey.
Because you wear red beret, wear yellow gown, with your black boots, you don't turn foreign girl. See you. Village people, like it is a village people, they see poor people like you. People who no get levels. Poor. I better drop my clothes, come out. Village poor. People, they follow you. Keep my clothes, I beg. See who village people they follow. Village people not follow people who get levels. Now you where they like crayfish. Foreign girl. One come knock job for me.
Mama de mama. Mama de mama. Mama de mama, how you doing now? This one you're walking fast like this. Is anyone after you?
Hey, Bube, you don't have respect. Am I your mate? Eh? When did you start this familiarity? When?
Mama de mama, why are you talking to me like this now? Eh? The more you accept me to be your son-in-law, the better for both of us. Eh?
Hey, Bube, or whatever your name is. Now listen. Don't ever stop me again. Okay, Nanuya. Don't ever try it. Before I slap sense into this your senseless head.
Mama, if slapping me will prove to you how much I love your daughter, slap me for all I care. Now, what am I living for? my in-law, slap me for all I care. Mama, see, Mama, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Eh? I love your daughter and I cannot stop loving her. Yes. Eh? Every time slap me now. I love your daughter, Mama.
So make you try, and let the rest of God. Businesswoman, try, and let the rest to God. Businesswoman, the God do the pay, the God do the pay, oh. Businesswoman, the God do the lift it to, oh. The in the bless, oh. Businesswoman, try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Businesswoman, try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Businesswoman, make you hustle every day. Oh. Businesswoman, I say make you hustle up and down. Oh. Businesswoman,
I go fit run am now. Waiting there. I go fit run am.
See this life, oh. See this life, oh. For this life, oh. You must hustle, oh. No for lazy man, oh. You must hustle, oh. Make you hustle for survival. I said make you hustle, oh. We must survive, oh. Whether good or bad, oh. We must survive, oh. Come rain or shine, we go survive, oh. If you fail today.
Madam, I beg think I miss you. This work.
Wetin happen?
This work,
Na me dey follow talk.
No be woman me work be this, so I beg go.
Me I be hustler, oh.
I
be hustler.
Madam, I beg go. I beg.
You dey waste my time, okay? Give me my money, make I comot here.
I've asked you money for what? Money for what now?
Which one be money for what? Eh? Na play I come play for here. No be work what I do for you. The money work what I do now. No be here they carry block, they up and down. They climb up, they come down. They ask me money for what? Give me my money, make I dey go.
Oh, you mean that small work you did today? That small work, Abi? My friend, better leave this place before I will call you.
You call am small work, okay? I agree. Na small work. I give me my small money, make I dey go.
I don't have money for you. I don't have any money for you.
This guy don't know me, okay? You don't know me, oh. You don't know what you buy. You want make wild animal pet, Abi?
My friend, I beg leave this place before I will call Oga. Leave here now. I will call Oga.
Who is your friend?
Leave here.
Who is your friend? Who is your friend? Who is your friend?
Hey.
No,
I go call Oga.
See this one.
I go call Oga.
You go call Oga.
I go call Oga. Leave me. I no get money for you.
Who Oga here?
That is, you go come do small work. Say make I pay. Then they shoot money. Or I go plug am. I be man.
If I shout to you,
I talk, you talk.
I don't feel do am.
You no reach.
You don't know me. You don't feel do am. Hey, bro! You won't let me. Wait! Give me my money.
Your own no good. Calm down.
Give me my money.
You be woman, oh.
Give me my money, make I dey go. If you dey smoke expired painkillers, I don't give me my money, make I dey go. Abeg. Leave me.
See this woman, oh. Why give me my money.
Amaka.
Ugo, what is it?
You betrayer. Come back here.
Ugo, I am warning you. Get out of my way. I don't want to get angry. Get out of my way, Ugo.
And if you get angry, what will happen?
Hey!
What will happen if you get angry?
Ugo, you're getting on my nerves, so.
If I don't, what will you do?
You're getting on my nerves. Get out of my way.
What will you do?
I am warning you for the last time. If you come close to me, Ugo, what I will do to you? I said you cannot do anything. What the hell is up with you? Are you mad? What is wrong? Are you Amaka, I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
You cannot.
Amaka,
I said
I'm warning you.
You cannot do anything.
Amaka, I'm warning you.
Stop it.
Come on.
You don't come back. Wetin dey do this one? Na so she dey behave. She no get respect. Shh. Na she be the main madam of this house. Forget that thing. Who make madam help? Make madam she no get respect. Small pikin wey I senior. Hey. See her head like half baked bread. Shh. If na for my village, I'll put her head inside there, beat her like small pikin. No get respect.
My city people. You hear am? I no hear.
So sometimes you have to just be careful. You don't want to take a drink?
Sure.
Sure. You're doing
I'm
like
only...
a good girl.
Oh, please. Where's this girl? Uche! Is she inside? She step up.
Should be inside. Is there any problem?
No, I just want her to help on something. Ooh! Okay, I think she's here. Uche, are you done with what I asked you to do?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Go to my room.
Hey, babe, stop. Go, you asked her to do something. Now you're sending her to go and do another thing. Allow this lady to rest, for Christ's sake. What is all this now?
Baby, calm down. What I'm asking her to do now, it's not tedious. It's just a minor thing. Okay? Uche, you go to my room. When I was trying to change, I think my earrings dropped and my stud fell just beside the bed edge. So pull the bed and help me pick it, yeah?
So like this now, make I enter your room. Pull bed, bend down, begin find your stud way for with this my big belly. You know the pity person wey carry belly.
What's the meaning of that?
You no get conscience. Now why you no fit carry your own belly?
Excuse me? Uche, what did you say? Uche, you said something. What did you say?
But I no lie now. Remember that day for hospital, you called me outside.
Shh. What was she even talking about? You know what? Go back inside. Go inside.
So like this, make her no go find the earring.
Don't bother about it. I think I'll just replace it instead. Go inside. Just get out. What's wrong with this girl? Oh, wow.
What is going on?
Babes, like what? Nothing.
The other day in the hospital, what happened that day?
Oh, what are you trying to take us seriously? Of course she don't mind that. Nothing. You know how these village girls behave. Babes, nothing.
I want to understand something. She said something. Is there something that you're hiding from me?
Of course not. There is nothing, babe. Don't you trust me? Come here.
Hey, Mama. You're welcome. You were not around when I came back. I decided to help myself.
Uche, Mama. You're pregnant?
Yes, it's real. It's pregnant. I'll bring a photo. Pregnancy.
Hey!
Why are you shouting?
Why won't I shout?
Why are you shouting? That I'm pregnant. I'm shouting. Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting? Are you supposed to be pregnant? Uche, in Oludi, why am I shouting?
I know what I'm doing. This pregnancy is also part of my hustle. Now the hustle why the hustle be this. This is business. You think I'm a fool? I'll just open my leg for any other person. Carry belly like that. This is hustle. Hey.
I don't understand. Uche, you came back home with unwanted pregnancy.
This pregnancy is wrong. It's not wrong. You can't understand. You can, but don't worry.
No husband. No nothing. Hey! Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Stop. Uche, let me shock you. See this my pregnancy. It is worth 5 million naira. Million. Hey, Mama. Mama, like I said, yeah? You will not understand. A man got but very soon you will understand. Obolo Denise, I'm not a fool. I hustle. I know what I'm doing. Hey. Mama, I know what I'm doing.
So this is true. So that dream is true after all. Hi! Ndilo mamu. My mates are so proud of their daughters. But my only daughter has brought shame upon me. What kind of business? Getting pregnant. No husband. No bride price. No introduction. Or sim no business. Business one more, got one mouth. Hi. No. No. No.
You don't land. I just say you get coconut head. So sharp, you don't land here.
Uche, why are you threatening me?
What do you want make I do? Eh? I did this village, frustration won't kill me. What do you want make I do? Now my only weapon be that against you. Now my good paw for what I get. Eh? So I use her.
Okay, that's fine. Just go inside. Get your bags. Let's go.
Hey,
In no time, this whole thing will be over. Just get your bags. Let's go.
No, the most important thing is say I go carry my bag and I go to university. And come. Hi, madam. And come.
Yeah? What is going on? Let's go. We are saying, let's go. I bet you the door. Eh? Where are you going?
Mama, they go city. They go back to city.
It's again. It's a city. Eh? Uche, I will not allow you leave this house again. Mekwanya eh? Nam.
Mama, calm down. You see, I think you say this my hustle. I think you say this my business. That business, why I start for city? Make I go back, go finish am. Very simple. Let's go.
Forget the same thing. Get that out of business. What do you mean business is that? I have no information. If you want me to the city, I'll go.
Mama, which one is going with me to the city, eh? Are you going to breastfeed me?
It's on Uche. So you're happy that you're leaving me. Uche, the heartless.
Mama, just calm down. Oh, if that's it, then there's no problem. Just go inside, get your bags, and go with us. You're coming with us. Mama, go and get your bags. Let's go to the city.
You say you should go and get your bag.
Okay, thank you.
Leave my own bag.
Don't worry, when I pack, I'll come out with your bag.
Mama, give me my bag. Go and get your own bag.
We're going to the city together now.
Okay, just let's happy.
I'm coming. Let me pack up.
Mama,
I'll be right back.
Mother, 2 get sense. It's because of this your high heel. You left for me, I'll jump fence and go. Because of your high heel and your short gown. Open up someone. I'll jump fence now and go to the city. Why did you agree for her to come with us? Eh? You should have insisted.
What has come over you? Huh? Why did you bring that stubborn girl into my house?
Mark, that stubborn girl is carrying our child.
How did I get in here? Huh? How did I even buy your idea?
Mark, what is it? Why are you pushing this? What is eating you up? Like, what is wrong with you? What is it?
Why can't you carry your own child? Huh?
Mark, listen. I don't know what is eating you up. And believe me, I really don't care to know. But you see this girl, Uche, she is not going anywhere. She's carrying our child, my child, and she has to stay around so that I will put an eye on her. I have to know everything going on with someone that is carrying my child. I can't just push her to the streets. Listen, you know what? I'm tired of this nagging. I'm tired of this your recent attitude. I think we have to put a hold to this marriage. Yes, we have to. We have to pause everything until I understand. I don't know. Just put a hold to this thing. I'm not in for this. Please.
Uche, what you did is not known in our culture. You really failed me.
Mama, stop it, Vico. What's some culture? Who culture help? No, who help? Since why they village they observe culture, money don't enter my hand. What did they tell me? You see, culture, commot culture for this case. Waiting at define money. What's some culture? Mama, stuff are not they tire you. We need money to upgrade our lives. What's some culture? Culture back work.
Listen, even if we need to upgrade, but not like this now. Can you think I can upgrade this thing?
This is a stress-free upgrade. Eh? Stress I drawn on this one. Yes. I sit around, I sleep anyhow, I eat whatever I want to eat. Fruits, fresh food, I drink and relax. At the end of the day, I go nakam. By the way, Mama, when are you going back to the village?
Are you chasing me away?
I don't know, but I want you to go back to the village because I don't want anything that will make this people to reduce my money. I'm not going to enable my mother. I don't want anything that will make this people to reduce my money. If it means take you to the village, so you need to go.
And what makes you think I want to stay here?
Better go back to the village.
For your information, I'm only here for 2 reasons. 1, to know where you stay. 2, to make sure you're safe.
I am safe. I'm not a child. I am safe, and you have seen where I'm staying. Go back to the village. Go. What is it? Belgium, what are you doing there? I was checking there. What? Just checking. You were just checking. You were just checking if they swept here very well. As what? Eh? Swammer. My friend, get out! Get out! I want to check if they swept here well. Sweeper.
My daughter, what done? How are you?
I did fine. I did gallant. No. How about it?
Fine. Hey, my daughter told me everything you'll be doing for her. God bless you.
No problem, Mama. That one is smart. You know, say that your daughter is a better person. She be good person. So I be good to her. She did good to me. Everything balanced.
Hi. My God, God bless you, yeah?
Bless you too.
Thank you very much. I beg, I want to ask you about that other woman, the crazy person.
That one, a better mad person.
Hey!
That one, an upgraded mad person. Not true, she be crazy person. Madam Rachel, I'm waiting she can. And she, a crazy person.
Hi! I hope say she no go trouble my daughter.
She does. Na her nature. She be real problem person. But relax. You no get to worry. Anybody will worry your daughter for this house. I go give am wese. Hey. Na me be Uju, the chief lady. Don't bother yourself. I dey in charge. I'll take care of you.
My daughter, God go bless you. You see this way you tell me now? But don't sweet me. See Angelo. I've seen an angel today.
Oh, Mama, thank you.
God go bless you. You know, say this evening, I dey go back to the village. I beg.
You don't stay finish.
What did I do for you now? I beg. I go miss you too. Let me look after my daughter. You know her condition. I beg.
As long as he gets me, Uju, the chief lady, you know their problem. I will take care of her. 100%.
Thank you.
No problem.
Fine picking.
Take care of
Thank
yourself.
Hi.
Now, enjoy yourself. Meet everybody for video.
I will. Better picking. They were.
How? going on here? Martha, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
The bank sent it, sir.
The bank sent it?
Yes, sir.
An official notification of freezing all our company accounts? I do not understand. Who initiated those transactions?
I did, sir, but I didn't know it was contaminated, sir.
Oh, you didn't know? Are you telling me that? Do you know the implication of what you've done? All our company accounts are on hold at the moment, and you're saying nonsense.
Sorry, sir.
You're sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. There must be a way, sir. I'm working on it. I've even informed the headquarters.
Hey, shut up! They are aware of it. They got down before us, right? Why are you so lazy and slow? Why? Let me tell you something. I want you to fix a meeting with the board of directors, all of them. I need a Zoom meeting fixed immediately.
Noted, sir.
I do not want to see anyone. Tell anyone downstairs that I'm busy. Anyone that wants to see me, tell them that I'm busy.
Yes,
I get out of my office.
Mark. Mark. Bankruptcy? Mark. Mark, are you broke?
Hey, baby, stop, please. Stop. I don't need this now. Like I said, I need a quiet time for myself, please.
Really? Oh my God. So Mark, you've gone broke and you couldn't even communicate with me. That I have to see it on social media outlets. Mark, really? Oh my God.
Does it really matter? Can you change it? You should be mourning about it now.
Oh, I should be mourning. Yeah, you're right. I mean, I am supposed to cry. I mean, wail and roll on the floor, cry my eyes out because my supposed fiancé went broke and he couldn't even communicate with me. That I had to see it on social media. Really? Like you're broke. Ah! Hey!
Hey, babe. I'm not saying you should roll on the floor. All I'm saying is that you should show some level of concern. I am your fiancé. I just lost everything. Don't you have conscience?
Wow! Oh, I get it. I don't blame you. You are my fiancé. I am your fiancé. Yet you couldn't even tell me what's going on in your life. Nah, I don't blame you. Oh. Ah, God.
Is that all you have to say?
Hey, Jesus. Please, let me go and sort my life.
Is that all you have to say?
Oh, easy.
Sorry.
I think that's Mark. Go and open the gates.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry now.
for me in her condition. Eh?
Mark, please. I am not ready for your nagging. What is it? For your information, I have packed my belongings. I'm leaving this house today.
Oh, really? You are leaving the house to the house I bought for you, right?
Wait, so you think I will be going back to that house that is under investigation? So they will catch me, they'll arrest me and call me an accomplice. God forbid. Listen, Mark, I can take care of myself. I can fend for myself.
Hey, shut up! Be careful with this lady, right? She's pregnant. I don't want you to stress her. Did you hear what I said? I do not want you to stress her, right? Are you okay?
I think the baby is coming.
Oh, sorry. Call the doctor. Open the door. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let me take you to the hospital now.
Don't get my waist.
It's okay.
Rub my waist.
Sorry.
Rub my waist.
Sorry. Hey, take it easy. Sorry.
Baby's here.
Hey, sorry.
Take it easy.
I'm going to take you now. Let's take it easy. Rachel, come now. Sorry. Maybe this way. No. Sorry. No. What is your problem in this house? What is your problem in this house? Eh? You ate in the parlor and left everything in the sitting room, not even eating in the dining. What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem in this house?
Mark! Please, I beg you. I am not ready for your troubles. Leave me alone. You know what? I'm tired. I'm leaving this house.
You are leaving. Shut up. You're not going anywhere. Eh? I'm leaving this way. You don't have anywhere you're going to. Admit it. Eh? You have said that countless times without even taking a step. You think, okay, you say that me they do on my packaging, on my fake life. Come on, shut up. You're not going anywhere. You don't have anywhere you go to. I am your final bus stop. Admit it so that your life will be good.
Mark, you lie.
You lie! Because what are you even talking about? See, don't push me. Stop pushing me. How much is a house that if I want to pay for a house today, I cannot afford? I'm not even talking about renting. I mean, buying a house. How much is it that you're stressing my life? Listen, the only reason I'm here is just to sympathize with you.
Sympathize
Don't
with me?
stress me, oh.
And the best way to sympathize with me is to stress my life? Is to make things difficult for me? You're not going anywhere. You don't have anywhere to go to. You don't even have money to buy anything. Admit it. I want to go to this one. Sympathize with me. Do this one. Buy a house. Go and buy if you want to buy. You think it's easy? Go and buy a house. Go and buy a house.
I don't blame you. I do not. I blame myself for being such a caring and loving girlfriend. It's not your fault. Rubbish.
Be careful with me.
Oh.
I want to go and buy a house. I want to go and...
I will leave your house.
Leave.
Mark, I will leave your house.
Go.
Is it not this thing?
I will.
Oh, you want
I
to
will.
stay
How
here?
many years now? I will.
I will leave.
Down? I will.
I will leave.
Leave.
Rubbish.
Leave. You don't have anywhere to go to. Admit it. I will leave. I will leave. I will leave. You know, it is said that me they do fake life and package it. I just want to I'm trying my best now, you know.
No, that's not it, you know, right?
Trying my best.
Nice, it's not nice. So.
Okay, madam. Food already.
Oh,
we're gonna come chop.
You mean you stress yourself that much?
Okay, that one no be stress. I don't even clean everywhere, Jenna. And a small thing.
Wow.
We're gonna come chop. I cook and well, not be like that one and they buy outside. They use maggi cook. This one have better crayfish, ginger. All these.
Alright, babe, let's go and eat, okay?
No, darling. Of course, you know I'm still working on my weight. I won't be needing any calories right now.
Babe.
Yes.
You didn't take anything since morning. What are you talking about? See, I don't have money to give you for ulcer treatment, so let's go and eat.
Babe, look at me. I'm already looking bloated. I need to watch this. I need to be back in shape.
Mother, you don't need to watch anything. See, as you be like this, you balance the equation. As I got there like electric pole like this. You like, API Peter something. See, you balance like this. Don't watch your weight, though.
Uche, don't worry. Just get me my slimming tea, okay?
Alright, fine. Let me go and eat. If you don't want to eat,
my food's sweet, though. It's sweet,
let me try it out.
I know, I'm not hungry. I just need to watch this.
You said you don't want to cook. She did. Now you don't want to eat.
Hey,
I don't understand though.
It shouldn't be an issue.
It's not an issue. I don't understand. Let me go and eat.
Okay, don't forget the tea, okay?
So you don't want to eat?
No.
You don't want to eat?
I do not want. If I'm hungry, I'll tell you. I need to watch this.
Madam, but your size is okay. For God's sake, bro.
No. I'm losing it. But I need to go for a plastic.
Hey. Please. Baby, no. Don't do this now. Don't do this, please.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I will push you. I will push you.
Hey, babe, Butu, please. Do you want to abandon me? What about the baby? Baby, please now.
Mark, respect yourself. Leave me alone. I can't keep living like this. This is not what I ever imagined. This is not the lifestyle I imagined.
Baby, Pico. Don't do this to me. If you leave me, what will I do? What will I do with the baby? Don't do this now, please.
Don't go to church. You are who? My what? You can never be my man. Yeah, you used to be my man. That was when you were popping. That was when you were really living large. Not now. You can't be my man now. Okay, listen. Do you like how I am suffering? Look at my skin. Look at everything about me. It's changing. No, I can't stay. It's not possible.
Babe.
Listen. I am done. I'm not doing this anymore.
Baby, please.
When it gets better.
Baby, please. Babe. Babe, this is not nice. Odropamma. Oye gi agula abali oso odropamma. Hey! Why me? Why me? Why me?
Must hustle, make it hustle for survival. I said make it hustle, we must survive. Whether good or bad, we must survive. Come rain or shine, we go survive. If you fail today, make you try tomorrow. If you fail tomorrow, make you try again. We must survive. We must survive. So make you try, and let the rest of God. Businesswoman. Try, and let the rest to God. Businesswoman. Now God do the pay. Now God do the pay, oh. Businesswoman. Now God do the lift, oh. Now Him the bless, oh. Businesswoman. Try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Businesswoman. Try your best to. Who knows tomorrow? Businesswoman. Make you hustle every day, oh. Businesswoman. I say make you hustle up and down, oh. Businesswoman. Now go to the pay, oh. Now in the lift, oh. Businesswoman.
Mr. B, things have not really been easy with me. I keep borrowing to meet up. And the government has been making things difficult for me. My only wish now is if I could win the case so that they will release my property and my account they froze. I'm fed up with life. I'm fed up.
It's okay. Come on now. Come on. I mean, it's not the end of the world, okay? Look, I'm always here. I'm always here for you. If there's anything you need me to do, in any way, I can be of help, okay? I'm always here. Sorry, I couldn't play sorry. It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's fine.
You've really proven to be a good friend.
I mean, Mark, what are friends for?
I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Bless you.
Yeah. It's okay. Well, speaking of which, why not travel out of the country? At least for now, till things get better.
What then happens to my baby and Uche? Tagging them along will be quite expensive, and you know it.
That's true. You know what, speaking of Uche, that girl is a godsend. I mean, I must say you are lucky to have her at this point.
Sure. God answered me through her. I swear, you will not know your true and real friends until something bad happens to you. Where is Rachel now?
Wait, I'll leave that. That girl is bad news. Forget about her. Rachel. Do you mind? Can we go out? To get your mind off this.
For now,
come on,
please.
Come on, let's go. Come.
Mr. Man, take it easy now. Seafood. Ebu, Gaboni. This is food. I never say this in mania. I know it's food. Just eat gently. Nkabon. Ebu, Egamaka. Money is good.
Hope you're enjoying the food.
Uche, baby. This is sweet.
Ebube, here is the contract. So you need to sign.
Sign?
Yes.
For what?
Don't you want the house again?
Stop pinching me now. I want the house. I will sign.
I am your friend.
Sign here.
We've been friends for ages.
How will I sign?
Okay. Me, I go sign back as witness.
In go sign?
Yes, you will sign.
What I sign now? Uche. That is good.
Manage this space so no come out from no sign table.
No be.
I hope say you go fit sign am again.
Thank you. Enjoy your food.
So when are we taking over?
Uche, I just say you go give me take away when I dey go. In fact, where I dey go sef? We don't go, we don't come.
See, she did not say anything.
Pepe. See, when we get our house, we will employ 6 cooks.
Are you mad? This is for what? Are you mad?
Hey, maiden, they cook this kind of
from which person's money?
Money days. You know, she say money days. She get money.
See, you want to squander the money? Just come on 500 million that I asked them to pay me. Just want to squander it here.
Okay.
To employ 6 cooks. Okay. Are you mad? Are you okay?
Don't worry. Make we reduce them to 4 cooks.
See, listen, if you don't know what to say, just close your mouth. What is it? Every time you start reasoning from your anus instead of your brain. Is your brain for fancy? I've told you before, if you don't know what to say, just be following me. What is your problem now?
It's the one.
You employ 6 cooks. For how much? From my own money. You don't have a dime inside it. You don't know how I plan all these things.
Make I eat the one why I should. Don't worry.
I will just open one small business for you in the village so that you'll be there with your small brain.
No problem.
Want to squander the money that I have been building for over how many years?
Hey, don't do now. I be no one make I chop this food enter my belly. In fact, I know the chop again.
No chop.
Keep my food.
So what are you going to do about it?
I'll get rid of it. Haven't you seen what Amaka has been subjected to? I won't let it be. Make me end that way. No. I won't.
Are you sure that this is the best thing to do?
I know what I'm doing. And I know the right place to go for this. So don't bother yourself. I know what I'm doing. Just calm down. I know what I'm doing.
Me, I'm scared for you.
You don't need to be scared. You don't need to be scared. I know what I'm doing. I equally know the right place to go for this. Just calm your nerves. Calm down.
Wait, though. It seems this is not your first time of doing this.
I don't understand. Meaning what?
Do not get me wrong, I'm just saying you know much about it.
Try, you not succeed, or try again. Business Businesswoman, when you try, you don't succeed. Businesswoman, when you try, you don't succeed. Make you try your best, yeah. Businesswoman, when you try your best, you do your best. Now go to go pay. Businesswoman, try your best, leave the rest. Now go to go pay. Businesswoman, businesswoman. She dey walk up and down. Businesswoman, businesswoman. She dey do everything, yo. Businesswoman, businesswoman. She go walk everywhere. Businesswoman, oh, my friend in the hustle. Businesswoman, oh, I dey like it to hustle. Businesswoman. See this life, oh. See this life, oh. For this life, oh. You must hustle, oh. No for lazy man, oh. You must hustle, oh. Make it hustle for survival. I said make it hustle, oh. We must survive, oh. Whether good or bad, oh. We must survive, oh. Come rain or shine, we go survive, oh. If you fail today, make you try tomorrow. If you fail tomorrow, make you try again, oh. We must survive, oh. We must survive, oh. So make you try. I'll leave the rest to God. Businesswoman, try. I'll leave the rest to God. Businesswoman, now God do the pay. Now God do the pay. Oh. Businesswoman.